Assalamu alaikum, here Eisha Siddiqui, lecture number 11. Today's video topic is what is EXW, FOB and DDP terms. These all are international income terms. Stand for EXW, EX work, FOB, free on board, DDP, deliver duty paid. EX work. The ES work price includes the value of all material used and all other costs related to its production. FOB. The seller must load the goods on board of the ship nominated by the buyer. Costs and risks are divided when the goods are actually on board. DDP. The seller is responsible for delivering the good to the named place and the country of the buyer and pays all costs in bringing the goods to the destination. Allah Hafiz. Remember in your prayers.